Hi students, today we'll be covering up with the practical number 1 for TYCS data science. Sub question 3, that is VLOOKUP function. You have a separate worksheet department detail that contain department information and department ID and department manager. Use a VLOOKUP function to retrieve the name of the department manager from the department details sheet based on the department and the current employee data set. So before I go ahead and explain you how to go about it, I'll just give you a quick understanding about what is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is an Excel function where we used to search for a value in the first column of a table and return a relative value from another column in the same row. So I'll show you how to go about it. Go to your Excel sheet. Okay, so you have two sheets. That is, one is department details and one is your practical number 1. So you'll have to add an extra column. In fact, 1 department manager has a new column. Now you have to fetch the data from the department details and you have to enter the names of the department manager. So to go about it, we go for VLOOKUP. So to go for VLOOKUP, I'll just simply type is equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open. Now, what do I look? Based on my department ID, I'll be getting the department manager. So I'll click on HR, that is B2, comma, I'll go to department details. In this, I'll select the entire table. Now, which particular row I'm looking into? I'm looking into B row, that is department manager, which comes under which column number? Second. So I'll write 2, comma, I'll write false. Why do we write false? To get the exact match. You close the bracket and enter. So what happened? It displays the name of the manager. And if you drag it, you will be getting this kind of problem. So what are we supposed to do is, I'll just delete it. So when you drag it, the Excel takes different cell reference. So if it takes the cell reference, that's the reason it doesn't display you. So for that, you have to give your cell reference over here as constant. So I'll go, right, mention here dollar, and here also mention dollar, and click on enter. So what happens when you drag it, that particular column will be freezed. Only that particular column will be taken for your value. Apart from that column, there will be no other cell will be selected. Okay, that's the reason we go for constant. I'll just drag it. That's how you get the answer for the department manager, and that's how you get it with the help of the constant. So now you will not be getting any error, because reason behind I have opted for that particular, I have freezed that particular column. Only that particular column only I required. Apart from that, I don't require any other cell reference. That's the reason we go for dollar, that is constant. I hope it is clear for you. We'll continue with the sub question number 4 in the next video. Thank you.